Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your JBL Boombox 2 with any iPhone. First of all, you have to power on your speaker by clicking on this power button. When it lights up, we have to click and hold on this button. And then we have to grab our device. So in my case, I'm just using the iPhone, so we have to go to the Bluetooth. Then select our JBL Boombox 2. And when we are successfully connected, we can also open the App Store, where we can get this application JBL. That's the JBL headphones, I guess. Or we can try with the normal one. Yeah, it will be definitely the JBL Portable. So let's get this application from the App Store. It is downloading, so we have to wait. Okay, when the download is finished, we have to open this application. And then we have to click to get started, accept all of these permissions, click allow. And as you can see, when you previously connect this speaker by the standard Bluetooth settings, we will be automatically connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.